Have you ever wondered why data correlation and analytics are vital in network administration? It's a question that unravels a world where the intricate dance of numbers and patterns plays a pivotal role. Network administration, in its essence, is the wizard behind the curtain, ensuring seamless communication and connection. Data correlation and analytics are the magic wands that empower this wizard. They are the hidden cogs in the wheel, driving efficiency and productivity. To fully understand its significance, let's delve into what data correlation and analytics are. Data correlation, a key term in network administration, but what does it actually mean? Picture two sets of data. They might be as different as apples and oranges, but they could still have a relationship with each other. This relationship is what we refer to as correlation. In the simplest terms, correlation is a statistical measure that indicates the extent to which two or more variables fluctuate together. Correlation plays an essential role in data analysis, especially in the realm of network administration. It allows us to make sense of the vast amount of data that networks generate. When we talk about network administration, we're dealing with numerous data sets, from server uptime and network traffic to user behavior and security incidents. Understanding how these different data sets relate to each other can provide a wealth of information. Correlation can be positive, meaning that as one variable increases, so does the other. For instance, the more network traffic there is, the higher the server load might be. This is a positive correlation. On the flip side, correlation can also be negative. This means that as one variable increases, the other decreases. An example of this might be the relationship between server uptime and system failures. As server uptime increases, system failures might decrease, indicating a negative correlation. But here's the catch. Correlation does not imply causation. Just because two variables move together, it doesn't mean one is causing the other to move. This is a common misconception and a trap that even seasoned network administrators can fall into. Data correlation is the first step in understanding the complex web of relationships that exist within your network's data. It's like a compass, guiding you in the right direction, helping you unearth patterns, trends, and insights that might otherwise remain hidden. It's a powerful tool, but only when used correctly and with a clear understanding of its limitations. Now that we have a grip on data correlation, let's move on to its partner in crime, data analytics. Data analytics, a term often thrown around in IT, but what is it exactly? Well, let's unravel this mystery. Imagine you're an archaeologist and raw data is the sand you're sifting through. Just as the archaeologist uncovers precious artifacts from the sand, data analytics uncovers valuable insights from raw data. It's a process of scrutinizing, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover meaningful information. But why is this important? Picture a network administrator's job. They're inundated with data every second of every day. Different devices, different networks, different users, all generating a constant stream of data. Trying to sift through this data manually would be like trying to count every grain of sand on a beach. It's impossible. Enter data analytics. It's like a super-powered metal detector, a tool that can help our network administrator find those precious artifacts, those nuggets of information hidden in the mountains of data. It can reveal patterns, trends, and associations, especially relating to human behavior and interactions. It's not just about finding patterns, though. It's also about interpreting them. Data analytics allows network administrators to understand what these patterns mean, and more importantly, how they can be used to make informed decisions. For instance, a sudden spike in network traffic might indicate a potential security threat, or a consistent drop in bandwidth during certain hours might suggest the need for network optimization. These insights, derived from data analytics, empower network administrators to react swiftly and effectively. So in essence, data analytics is a combination of several techniques and processes, all aimed at extracting meaningful insights from raw data. It's not just about understanding what has happened, but also predicting what could happen in the future. It's a powerful tool, a guiding light, illuminating the path towards informed decision-making. And it's not just for network administrators. In the broader context, data analytics plays a pivotal role in various fields, from healthcare to finance, from retail to manufacturing. It's the compass that guides us through the complex maze of big data. With a clear understanding of both data correlation and analytics, we can now explore their combined impact on network administration. So, how do data correlation and analytics shape the landscape of network administration. Let's dive right in. In the vast, interconnected world of network administration, data correlation and analytics are like the twin engines propelling a ship forward. They work in tandem, each one complementing and enhancing the other, to provide a comprehensive view of the network's health and performance. Imagine being able to predict network failures before they occur. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with data correlation and analytics, it's science fact. By analyzing past data and correlating it with present trends, administrators can spot potential problems in the network early on. This predictive ability can save significant time, effort, and resources, not to mention prevent the unnecessary frustration that comes with network downtime. Data correlation and analytics also play a crucial role in enhancing network security. By analyzing network traffic and correlating it with known security threats, administrators can identify suspicious activities and nip them in the bud. It's like having a high-tech security guard that's always vigilant, always ready to protect your network from potential intruders. But it's not just about problem solving, it's also about improvement. Data correlation and analytics can help administrators pinpoint areas in the network that could do with a performance boost. Whether it's a slow server, a congested link, or an underutilized resource, data-driven insights can guide the way to optimal performance. Lastly, data correlation and analytics enable strategic decision-making. With a clear, data-backed view of the network status, administrators can make informed decisions about upgrades, expansions, or policy changes. It's like having a reliable compass that points the way forward, helping you navigate the complex seas of network administration with confidence and precision. As we can see, data correlation and analytics play a crucial role in the efficient and effective management of networks. In this age of digital transformation, they are more than just tools. They are vital components of a successful network administration strategy. So, what have we learned today about data correlation, analytics, and network administration? We've discovered that data correlation isn't just an optional tool, but a fundamental component in network administration. It's closely tied with data analytics, each enhancing the other to create a more robust, efficient system. We've also seen the impact these tools can have, from troubleshooting to strategic planning. So delve deeper, enrich your knowledge, and harness these powerful tools. Remember, in the world of network administration, understanding data is the key to success.